With my capstone project video. I'm just going to show to start off that my website is not running on HTTPS localhost 4200. I'm going to go over to my SQL workbench, take a peek at the orders that I already have when I show the customers really quick. And we're going to have these people. I just want to show you because I'm going to demonstrate adding a customer that's not them. And we're going to go to start my back end, and I'm going to go to my project folder is going to be called Bolt Ebikes Capstone folder, and we're on the back end, Spring Boot Ebikes. If you open that, you can start the project with the terminal or the main method here. I like to use this play button here, get that running, and it's going to tell us that our project is running on 9898 Tomcat port, which is for quality assurance because it allows me to test in HTTPS protocol without being full security requirements of production mode. Let's go to the front end and start the project there. Again, I don't have it open, so I'll show you the same folder. It's gonna be Bolt Ebikes Capstone. This time we're on the front end, and we will get that started up. So I am in the correct Ebikes site folder, which is one level down from the front end folder. And to run it, I'm just gonna let you know there are 3 total spaces in that command: npm space start space double hyphen space double hyphen configuration equals QA. It's going to give me a red message that says don't use it for production. We're well aware this is for demo mode only, and that is about to finish. And we're going to go to the Chrome browser, which is the browser I was able to use successfully. That one didn't work. Let's go HTTPS again. This time it's going to work, and it says it's not secure, but it's again because we're not in the real production mode, not in the full browser. The navigation on the left side took me a couple weeks to get that at the beginning. E-bikes there, helmets, accessories. There's only 2 accessories. There are 24 helmets to demonstrate full pagination support. There's only 5 here, and if I go down, I can change that to the 50, and then I'll show all of them there. And let's add in a cart. Bam, cart, products, add these. You can see that in the cart, you do not need to be logged in. Customers don't have to log in order to do this. They can get to this point. They can just be a guest if they want. I'll show you here that these work. You can add more, and the totals are updated appropriately. You can take them off as well. I'm just going to go ahead and remove them. I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in with a new name to show you that you don't need to be registered already. Larry at berry.com. Password. Test is best is a password I liked to use. Unable to say, whoops, I need to say sign up. Sign up at the bottom. Larry at berry.com, and the unique email address is the only identifier that I really need here. And then test is best is the password I like. Larry, let's call him Lowberry. So I showed the database earlier, and he did not exist. After this, he will exist. We're just going to have to use Okta again at berry.com, Larry at berry.com. Password test is best. And here we go. So it's going to give us a welcome message that says, welcome back, Larry Lowberry, even though we just signed up. It's welcome back for the first time. And let's go ahead and demonstrate this shopping cart functionality. Add. And we're going to go to this shopping cart glyph. Let's go full screen. And here we go. And I'm just going to go to checkout to demonstrate. And it doesn't really need anything except a couple at the beginning. The Larry at Barry is auto-populated because that's our unique identifier. Once a customer hits United States, the states will pop in. These don't really matter. And I just need, okay. This copy function, that was quite a headache for me with a mismatch of capitalization. And I'm going to say MasterCard. And these don't matter as long as I'm going to do the 16 numbers for the credit card to get that, 3 for the security code, and the details review appropriately updates there. Okay, so let's see, we have the tracking number is presented to us in the message, and then I am going to compare it to our database. We did not have Larry Lowberry before. We didn't have this tracking number that's at the bottom of the warning message. Now we do a refresh and you have the address larry@barry.com, which is our unique identifier. And then on the orders, we can see that the bottom is going to match D2EFC. Okay, so that is the majority of the functionality. Now Larry is gonna see his order. That is, you see here the date. Okay, now I'm gonna finish up the video here, and thank you, Professor.